Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking prerequisites. You need a compatible Pokemon ready to evolve and enough money. Once done, progress through the main story until you can travel to Kanto. Many stone sellers appear only after that. Make sure to go directly to Celadon Department Store. It's the reliable first stop to buy elemental stones. You're acting now. Open your menu, confirm which Pokemon will evolve with a Fire Stone, then head straight to the department store's Evolution Stone counter. If purchasing fails or stock is empty, move to Alternate Acquisition. Search likely hidden item tiles and rock smash points where stones frequently spawn. Once done, explore trading options, in-game NPC trades, other players, or features like Pokewalker and Pal Park can yield a Fire Stone. Make sure to save before attempting trades. Also check department stores on different floors and visiting NPCs in towns, since some will sell or gift evolution stones. After final step, with the Fire Stone in your bag, select it and use it on the target Pokemon to trigger evolution. Save your game beforehand because evolution is permanent and may alter moves and stats. Once done, confirm the new form and teach or TM any desired moves. If the stone is missing or sellers are out of stock, reload your save, revisit the department store after time passes, or retry trades and hidden item searches. These fixes solve most acquisition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.